Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking hardware, power, cables, and headset jack because software fixes won't help a disconnected device. Once confirmed, open Settings, go to System then Sound, and pick the correct output device. This tells Windows where to send audio. Make sure volume sliders are up and output isn't muted. If you see multiple devices, disable unused ones so the right driver is active. These steps establish a reliable baseline before we update drivers and services. You now handle drivers and services because corrupted drivers or stopped services cause most failures. Open Device Manager, expand sound, video, and game controllers, then right-click your audio device to update the driver. Choose Search Automatically first. If that fails, uninstall the device and reboot so Windows reinstalls it. Next, press Win+R, Run Services, MSC, and restart Windows Audio and Windows Audio and Point Builder. These services route sound. Once done, test audio. If it fails, proceed to Advanced Codec and BIOS checks. You finish with Advanced Fixes. Download and install the OEM audio driver from your PC or motherboard maker. This resolves vendor-specific codecs. Then, verify BIOS audio is enabled, and in Windows Sound Advanced choose a common format like 24-bit, 48,000 HC. Mismatched formats can mute output. Run the built-in troubleshooter for diagnostics. If nothing works, one key troubleshooting tip. Note any error codes from the troubleshooter, then search those exact codes or contact support with them. Specific codes point to the true cause.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.